Samsung just dropped the Galaxy S25 FE, and it might be one of the best value phones of 2025. Starting at around $650, it packs a 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz display with 1900 nits brightness, the Exynos 2400 chip, 8GB of RAM, up to 512GB of storage, and a solid 4900 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. On the back, you've got a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultrawide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, plus a sharper 12-megapixel selfie cam. But the real spotlight is on Galaxy AI. Tools like Generative Edit, Instant Slow-Mo, Audio Eraser, Auto Trim, and Gemini Live bring next-level smarts straight to your pocket. And Samsung promises 7 years of updates, which is rare for this price point. Now let's talk drawbacks. The Exynos 2400 isn't as powerful as Snapdragon or Apple's chips, so heavy users might feel the difference. The design is familiar, with thicker bezels that make it feel less premium. Cameras, while solid, aren't a huge step up from last year. Plus, with just 8GB of RAM, there's a question of how well it will handle all these AI features long term. Bottom line, the S25 FE gives you flagship essentials without the flagship price, but it also plays it a bit safe. So would you grab the S25 FE or hold out for the full Galaxy S25 lineup? Let me know in the comments.